Nadezhda Tolokonnikova, a performance activist from Russia. Safiya Atesh, journalist from Turkey. Salman Shahab, student, Saudi Arabia. Sana Saif, activist, Egypt. Atena Naimi, a woman and children rights activist, Iran. Ta Phong Tam, blogger, Vietnam. Nora Yunus, a journalist from Egypt. Dora Maria Tellez, historian, activist, Nicaragua. Jiri Sen, a woman and children rights activist from Cambodia. Maran Al-Sheikh.
The tip of her finger. पुराने वक्तों में सूडान को नूबिया के नाम से जाना जाता। A myth from the Dinka religion spoke about a powerful goddess जिसका नाम अबू था और वो पहली औरत थी जो सूडान की जरखेज मिट्टी से बनाई गई। She was portrayed in mythology as a snake and she loved the serpent, the moon and the sheep. कहानी ऐसी है कि अबूद को रोजाना अपने बनाने वाले से सिर्फ एक दाना मिलता था खाने को और उसे हमेशा भूख लगी रही। She took that one meal and created a place ताकि वो ज्यादा देर चल और कुछ खास दे वो ये लेती और उसे वो देती so that she could begin to grow her own, becoming the first person to cultivate grain and produce a harvest.
She became known as the protector of women, the soil, the water, and considered the creator of humanity. In Khartoum, Ala Salah became a feminist icon, representing all Sudanese women at the front lines of the revolution. She went viral after standing on top of a car, raising her finger to the sky in defiance of President Umar al-Bashir and his tyrannical government. उसने उमर अल-बशीर की सफाक हुकूमत के खिलाफ आवाज उठाई, who was eventually removed from power by the Sudanese people. She was called the Kandaka of the Sudanese revolution. Her solar plexus. There was a woman in China named Chan. चीन में एक औरत थी जिसका नाम चैन था.
She was very ill and could not get the help or healing she needed.
Her husband kept her locked away. इसके शौहर ने इसे कैद कर रखा था.
So she stole a magical elixir and escaped all the way to the moon. She healed herself, found sovereignty, and became the spirit of the moon to look down upon the people.
And listen for the prayers and wishes from women who are trapped. who do not feel safe, and she grants their prayers.
A group of young women in China called the Feminist Five were detained on the eve of International Women's Day.
For planning a demonstration against sexual harassment on public transport.
They organized a bloody brides parade on Valentine's Day to protest domestic violence, wearing wedding gowns splattered with blood.
इस ड्रामे का नाम क्या है?
And her sign that said, love is not an excuse for violence. मोहब्बत तशद्दुद का जवाब नहीं बन सकती. And black white signs to symbolize censorship.
All the words they could not speak. वो सब जो वो कह नहीं सकती थी.
क्या बात है?
Gudulabi again. The Pink Gang is an all-women vigilante group in central India. They fight rapists and abusers with sticks. उन्होंने उसे इतना मारा कि वो दोबारा किसी औरत या लड़की के साथ ज्यादती करने का सोच भी ना सके. They trash him black and blue so he dare not attempt to wrong any girl or woman again.
क्या बात है? क्या करें, क्या ये यूएसए से है, ये लगा। क्या बात है, क्या बात है, गुड, कमाल।
In many Indian cultures, menstruation was once revered, even used as an offering to goddesses.
Somewhere in the history, the myth was distorted and it became a dirty thing. Womankind was asked to bear the burden of a battle between gods and plead for a monthly dependence.
हाल ही में खवातीन के एक गिरोह ने सबरीमाला मंदिर के अंदर दाखिल होने की कोशिश की, लेकिन मर्दों ने उन्हें तशद्दुद का निशाना बनाया क्योंकि उनके लिए वो नापाक थी.
Instead of cowering in fear, over 3.5 million women lined up along a highway in protest.
They joined hands and took a pledge for equality. They stretched across 385 miles with men behind cheering them on in solidarity.
We invite you now in this moment, those who can, please stand up with us in solidarity.
क्या बात है?
हम चाहते हैं कि औरतों के हकूक की यकजहती के अहद में आप सब हमारे साथ खड़े हों.
I pledge to support equal rights for women.
हम औरतों को मसावी
producing director of the Freedom Theater and the Feminist Festival in Jenin, Palestine. He was held captive last December by the Israeli military, and we are still waiting to hear about his condition and his release.
We honor Mustafa as a true feminist, and all men and allies who stand with us, who respect and listen to and celebrate women. We invite you now, if you like, you can shout out your own pledges.
I pledge to give women equal rights.
I pledge to let women choose not to marry.
I pledge to protect the happiness of women.
I pledge to let women get whatever haircut they want.
I pledge to let women wear whatever they want.
The audience can shout them too.
Please join us.
She was arrested on May 9th, 2023 for false charges, and they still have not been...
Shame.
A young girl from Singh whose entire family was murdered, and she has been fighting to get justice for them for years.
Maharang Baloch.
Baloch, a young girl, an activist from Balochistan. Heading a political party, her protests have been banned from all media platforms.
Khadija Siddiqui, a student from Islamabad who was stabbed by a guy multiple times because she said no to marrying him. She alone fought for her case and she won. And now she's a lawyer and she's a women's rights activist.
मैं औरत हूँ और मेरी बनना चाहूँ।
दुनिया सर कर पाऊंगी।
आजादी की गुल गाऊंगी।
वीर के दीप जलाऊंगी। मैं औरत हूँ तो क्या अपनी राह खुद बनाऊंगी। ये हम गुनहगार औरतें जिनके जिस्मों की फसल बेचे जो लोग वो सरफराज ठहरे, नियामते इम्तियाज ठहरे, वो दावर अहले सांस ठहरे। ये हम गुनहगार औरतें जो सच का परचम उठा के निकले, तो झूठ से शहराएं कटी मिली है। हर एक दहलीज में सजाओं की दास्तानें रखी मिली है, जो बोल सकती थी वो जुबानें कटी मिली है।
Damask discovers a cave with a garden overflowing with thousands of bone-colored snakes. Damask ने एक घाट दरियाफ्त किया जिसमें मोती रंग के हजारों सांप पनप रहे थे.
And their queen, half woman, half serpent, Shahmaran, they fall in love and live in the cave together. And she shares her wisdom about ancient healing practices.
But Damask begins to miss the world above and leaves, promising to keep her existence a secret. उसने उससे वादा किया कि उसके वजूद को एक राज रखेगा, but he betrays her. मगर उसने उसको धोखा दिया.
He tells a king about her who is very.
The pull of old habits and our fears were too strong. We fell back into the old order again. We watched the rape of our sisters. हमने अपनी बहनों के साथ ज्यादती होती देखी. The killing of our brothers. अपनी बहनों का खून होते देखा. The murder of our children. हमने अपने बच्चों के कत्ल का मातम होते देखा. One of these days, we will shake it off like a dead skin.
हाँ जी बैठ जाओ.